Welcome to How to Budget Your Money. 3 proven strategies for saving more every month. This simple 3-step system is designed to help you take control of your finances without feeling broke or overwhelmed. Let me ask you something. Do you feel like your money disappears halfway through the month? You're not alone. Recent data reveals that between 52% and 64% of consumers live paycheck to paycheck, meaning they have little to no money left after covering their expenses. Additionally, a 2025 Bankrate survey found that 59% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency expense. This highlights the urgent need for effective budgeting strategies. In this video, I'll show you a powerful yet simple plan to turn things around using 3 proven strategies. Number 1. Pay yourself first. Number 2. Build your emergency fund. And number 3. Reset your spending habits. Strategy number 1. Pay yourself first. First up, pay yourself first. This means taking a portion of your income before you pay bills or buy anything and putting it straight into savings. Start with 10% or even just 5% and automate the transfer. Think of it like a bill you owe to your future self. There is a saying, do something today that your future self will thank you for. Strategy options for paying yourself first. This strategy works for everyone. You just have to find your style. If you're busy, set up automatic transfers with your bank to take a certain amount from your checking account into your savings account on a certain day of each month, or each check. If you're a visual person, use a spreadsheet or savings tracker like an Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets. If money's tight, try saving $10 a week, stashing it in an envelope or all of your side hustle income in a separate bank account, PayPal, or Venmo business. What matters most is that you save something consistently. Strategy number 2. Emergency fund. Next, let's talk about your emergency fund, your financial safety net. Start with a goal of $1,000 to $3,000, just enough for basic rent or bills. That small cushion can protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Once that's in place, aim to save 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses, or up to 12 months if your income is more unstable. However, it's concerning that 42% of Americans don't have any emergency savings at all. Building this fund is crucial to avoid falling into debt during unforeseen circumstances. Saving can be difficult when you're on an already tight budget, but if savings is important to you, you will find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. Strategy number 3. No spend reset. Now for the fun part, the no spend reset. Pick a time period, 7, 14, or 30 days, and challenge yourself to spend nothing outside of your essential needs. That means no eating out, no online impulse buys, and definitely no $7 oat milk frappuccinos with double espresso shots. Be honest. Do you really need 4 different streaming subscriptions? Or that $28 scented candle that smells like forest rain? Use what you already have. Eat from your pantry, cancel a few non-essentials, and take a break from scrolling Amazon for things you didn't know you needed. Then, take what you would have spent and move it straight into your savings. Even skipping that $5 coffee each weekday adds up to $100 a month, which could be part of your emergency fund. Join a 30-day savings challenge or use a journal or budgeting app to track daily habits. Or for fast results, do a weekend wallet freeze plus pantry meal plan. Combine strategies for impact. These 3 strategies, when used together, are incredibly effective. You're saving automatically, you're building a buffer for emergencies, and you're resetting bad habits before they derail your progress. It's a financial flywheel that builds confidence and momentum. To make this even easier, I've created a free budgeting kit. It includes a fillable spreadsheet, a printable cheat sheet, and a no-spend tracker. The link is below. Go grab it and get started today. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated or painful. Remember, save first, stay ready, reset. If this video helped, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more practical finance tips. Thanks for watching.